is real. Pump bottles can give you problems. Thick liquids take too long to empty. Make life easier with Flip It. No more pounding, no more shaking. Stand that bottle upside down and make it easy to get every drop of the product you already paid for. Fits most standard plastic bottle sizes. It's so easy to use. Simply remove your bottle's cap or pump and choose the right size adapter and gaskets to fit your bottle. Then flip it and let gravity do the work. When you're done, just wash all of the parts and use Flip It over and over again. Flip It is made of food-grade, BPA-free plastic, so it's safe for the whole family. Why waste time? Why waste money when it's so easy to flip it? It's great for your wallet and for the environment. Squeeze out every last drop with the Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit.